EverBank High Savings Account. Imagine banking that doesn't just keep up with your financial goals but actually propels with them forward. With EverBank's innovative approach, you are not just saving, you are growing. Discover how EverBank is redefining wealth it means to truly invest in your future. So hi guys and welcome in this video. I'll show you how you can use EverBank High Savings Account. So what is EverBank? EverBank is a financial institution that combines the stability of traditional banking with innovative financial solutions designed to empower individuals and businesses alike. With a commitment to providing competitive rates, cutting edge technology, and personalized customer service, EverBank aims to redefine the banking experience. Whether you are looking to manage your savings more effectively, invest for the future, or secure financing, EverBank offers a range of products tailored to meet your needs. Their mission is to help you not only achieve your financial goals but exceed them, all while maintaining a strong foundation of trust and reliability. So first of all you have to do is open your web browser and dive into everbank.com. So this is the homepage. As you can see, we have your first information if you want to know about EverBank. So if you want to start with it, so all you have to do is click over open account and then you start with EverBank. If you want to find your account, all you have to do is click over login and then you find your account. Here you have a various information. First of all, as you can see, we have here personal here, as you can see. So we have your banking and we have today's rates support. So you click over the one you know and you want the one you want to know, sorry. We have your high yield account, we have performance savings, performance money market, performance checking. We have your CD account, we have performance CD, we have a diversified investing overview, precious metals, foreign currencies, market safe cities, and we have your online tools and services, mobile banking, send money easily. Then we have awards and recognition. Then we have here businesses. We have business home, today's rates, support. We have accounts here, checking overview, money market, high yields, cities, and then we have business cities, we have currency account, and then we have here today's rates, support. We have your services, usually services. So you click over the one you want to know and then you start with it. We have your merchant services, foreign exchange, and about online and mobile. We have business, online banking, mobile banking. Then we have here commercial home, client service. Then we have here solutions fund financing, multifamily lending specialty, and lender financing here. And about commercial, we have here commercial overview, where here to help build up your businesses to so you can create more value, impact, and potential. You can rely on our dedicated specialist, highly responsive service, and fast expertise to propel your business forward. Then we have here about EverBank. We know the hard work you put in to get where you are, and we want you to know that finding you an internet advantage is what drives us. We are committed to delivering consistently high yields, dedicated service. And we have here about home, leadership, security center. Then we have here cars, search cars, news and media, newsroom, awards and recognition. And that's it for those things. So if we scroll down, we have your various information like personal banking. We have your 5% AP gifts, your savings and advantage. Both a competitive, high yield, and no monthly maintenance fee. Our EverBank performance savings account makes your hard-earned money work harder for you. Then we have your Ever protected with FDEC insurance. You can be sure that your hard-earned money is secure and safe. At EverBank, your deposits are automatically insured by the FDEC up to the legal limit. You have Ever Performance deserve to get the most out of your money, so we deliver solutions that succeed from competitive interest rates to our performance accounts built to fit your individual needs. We have here 5% EverBank performance savings. Take your savings to the next level with our high yield account posting no monthly account fee, no minimum balance requirements, and easy mobile and online access. You have it's time to you bank it on more, get more out of your money, and how you bank with the accounts, services, and rates that separate us from banking as usual. We have your strong security. Rest assured that your information, accounts, and money are safe with our range of trusted security measures. Then we have free cash access with our checking and money market accounts. Fully access your cash at over than 80,000 no fee ATMs across the country. Then we have your mobile check deposit. Why go out of your way to deposit a check? Use our mobile app to send it to us securely and in a snap. And we have here some information to keep it in mind, so we can just read it more understand about EverBank. So about Discover here we have about us, awards and recognition, newsroom, security center, search account. About resources we have a team finder, branch locations, forms and application, accessibility, my money program also, and we have here contact us. We are closer than you think. So EverBank distinguishes itself by offering a comprehensive suite of financial products that cater to path of individuals and businesses, providing competitive interest rates that maximize returns on savings, CDs, and investment accounts. Their innovative approach to banking is reflected in variety of specialized financial products, including high-yield savings accounts and customizable investment options tailored to meet the unique goals of each customer. Leveraging cutting-edge technology, EverBank's online platform and mobile app make it incredibly easy to manage your finances on the go with intuitive interfaces and real-time access to your accounts. Moreover, every bank places a strong emphasis on personalized customer service, ensuring that every client receives expert advice and solutions that are aligned with their specific financial objectives. This commitment to personalization extended to their flexible banking solutions, which can be customized to fit the needs of individuals seeking simple checking accounts or businesses requiring complex financial service. Then we have security is a top priority at EverBank with advanced measures and plans to protect your financial information and assets. Their global reach, coupled with deep local market knowledge, allows EverBank to offer insights and opportunities that are both expensive and relevant to clients in various regions. EverBank's dedication to growth is evident in their strategic planning resources, educational tools, and investment opportunities designed to help customers not only meet but exceed their financial goals, ensuring a secure and prosperous future. So that's it with EverBank. So you can just start with it. It's very useful and helpful, and we have useful various benefits, so you can use it. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.